How to removing the negative energy with yourself and your surrounding and in your house. What to do? First you have to think, you have to burn any agarbatti or something. Just you think, I am grateful for all I have. I am complete. I am a happy, healthy, blessed and protected the soul. Saying these affirmations to yourself every morning will help you stay positive and peace. Your house on a daily, weekly and monthly basis, keeping unnecessary things at home that are torn, broken or don't serve a purpose would obstruct the flow of positivity on your home. Your aura gets affected when it comes in a contact with people. Hence, it is important to protect your aura, and for that, you should put some sea salt in water and then bath. With that water, doing this ritual on a weekly basis will help you protect your aura. Using the white, that is the California and Palo Santo sticks are also help removing the negativity. The stick is some removing the negativity energies. The stick is a very energetic positive. You can also light a divya or candle. Avoid black candles. In your temple or meditation space or anywhere in the house where you feel like doing so, lightning camper. Say the camper is removing the negativity easily. Sprinkle holy water once or twice a day also help. This is a super easy that anyone of you can easily do. By putting camper and alarm in your purse before leaving the house and discarding it before coming back home is a great way to leave the negativity outside the home there itself. This will help you protect your house and family from the outside negativity that you may have observed during the day while interacting with numerous people. Most important, you should ignore negative people. Count your blessings and have faith in the divine power. This will so many way we are catching the negative, because the earth energy is weak, our house, the negativity will come automatically, and same time we are losing the happiness. Sometimes we are also sad. That time what happened? The negativity energy is come to directly your aura. So you have to always remember, I am a happy, healthy, I am a blessed, protected soul. Like that you have to do every day. This is a completely positive approach. So try not to get affected by negativity around you to the best extent possible and use positive affirmations. So this kind of tips, affirmation tips practice. Always think about yourself, think about your soul. Always make concentration the connection of the only the better of the positive. So the negativity will go, because even though so you are in sitting of the thinking of the negative process, the lifestyle it will go for a sorrow. The positive thinking, you will feel a calm and peaceful. Not only you, the entire the house and amongst everyone, that will help you build deeper connections and concentrate better. Hence, here are some amazing tips. These tips are very helpful you and get rid of negative at home. So we have to follow this kind of positive thinking, positive respect ourselves, and you have to love your body, love your life, and love your all your